As you sip on a warm glass of gelatin-infused water, something subtle yet remarkable happens inside your body. Your digestive system starts to hum along smoothly, like a well-tuned engine, and that heavy, sluggish feeling begins to lift, replaced by a sense of lightness and clarity. It's as if your insides are doing a little happy dance, and this is exactly what's been drawing people to the gelatin trick. On TikTok, the gelatin trick has gone viral, with thousands of users sharing their own experiences and tips on how to incorporate this simple daily ritual into their lives. Researchers say that the gelatin trick works by supporting the health of our gut lining, which in turn boosts our overall well-being, and it's easy to see why it's become a staple in so many people's morning routines. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for weeks, swears by its ability to wake her up without the bloat and lethargy she used to feel. And now she's hooked. If you're curious to try the gelatin trick for yourself, check out the link in my description to learn more about how to get started. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some extra tips and tricks to help you make the gelatin trick a sustainable part of your daily routine.